Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to biology class. Today we are going to see a topic from the unit Animal Kingdom. The learning objective of this video is to understand the classification of living organism and to understand the term taxonomy, a small history about Carolus Linnaeus. A short introduction about living organism. There are variety of living organism in this world. Did you know that there are around 1.5 million variety of species in this world? That is 15 lakh organisms are present. Every organism have their own differences. These organisms are classified based on their internal structure, external appearance and mode of life. This unique characteristics among the living organism is called as a diversity. Let us take two organisms as example, eagle and a sparrow. As you can see, there is a huge differences between these two organisms. The animal uses their beak for eating purpose, but the way of utilizing their beaks are different in both eagle and sparrow. An eagle catches its food with the help of its leg and then uses its sharp beak for to tear down the flesh of its prey, whereas the sparrow simply pecks the grain or worm as their food. Both are called as birds in common, but there is a lot of differences among these two birds. This is called as a diversity. What is classification? Classification is nothing but arrangement of organisms into groups. These arrangements are made by identifying the similarities and differences among the living organisms. What is taxonomy? Taxonomy is a scientific study of naming living organisms. It helps to understand about the organism in an easy way. Taxonomy also helps in the understanding of relationship among groups of organisms. Carolus Linnaeus is a Swedish botanist. He introduced a standard system for naming living organism. He introduced the classification of living organism in the early year of 1700. Carolus Linnaeus is the father of taxonomy. Based on the similarities and dissimilarity of every living organism are arranged in groups. This is termed as classification of a living organism. Kingdom classification is divided into 5 categories: Monera, Protista, Fungi, Plantae and Animalia. Single-celled organisms are placed under the kingdom Monera. The unicellular organisms that are Bacilli, Cocci and Spirillum. In the kingdom Protista, the cell organelles are well developed in an organism. Example are Euglena and Amoeba. Fungi is a kingdom in which it has both microscopic and macroscopic organism. The microscopic organism is a bread mold which we can see when the bread is decayed, and the macroscopic fungi is mushroom. From simple grass to big trees, these organisms are placed under the kingdom Plantae. The organisms that live on land from crawling insects to the aquatic organism are categorized in the kingdom Animalia. The organisms are classified based on the structure or shape of cell, mode of nutrition, body organization, reproduction, etc. An organism is classified based on its character. With the help of this method, that is classification of organism, the following arrangement of an organism is categorized in this manner: kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, and species. Species is the lowest taxonomic category. For example, large Indian parrot and green parrot are the two different kinds of bird. The scientific name of green parrot is Psittacula cremeri and Psittacula eupatria respectively. These two species of parrot cannot interbreed. A group of closely related species of animal forms the category genus. For example, Indian jackal Canis aureus and Indian wolf Canis philippus are closely related to one another in the form of external appearances such as elongation of nose, fertile and sharp teeth. A group of organisms with several common characters. Example, lion, tiger, cat, leopard belong to the family called Felis. One of the common character of Felis family is shown here. The claw is ejected out of the finger digit when necessary. Families with common character are placed under the category order. Example, man, baboon, chimpanzee are in the same order. A few common characters are: eyes are located in front of the face. As you can see, a baby monkey is holding a watermelon perfectly like the humans. The finger digits are well developed for grasping and holding an object. Related or similar orders of organism forms a class. The animal, rabbit, dog, whale, chimpanzee are different in their external appearances, even though these organisms are placed under one class called Mammalia. The common character for mammals are epidermal hair or skin hair and mammary glands. Classes of different animals like birds, reptiles, mammals, frogs, and fishes are placed under the phylum called as Chordata. Chordata means the organism which has vertebral column or backbone. The highest category and the largest division is called as a kingdom. Microorganisms, plant and animals comes under different kingdoms. In this video, we have learned about the classification of organisms. The next video will be about the basis for classification.